Hi guys, today I'm going to dispense some liquid using a micropipette. This is the largest one. You can tell the volume by what's denoted up here. So mine is 100 to 1,000 microliters. I will be dispensing 400. So the way it works is you have to unlock the dial and then you turn it until you reach 400, and then it's at 400 right here. And now I'm going to lock it right here. Make sure not to over crank it. So let's say this goes to 1,000. I don't want to do 1,050. Otherwise, there are some issues there, such as the liquid going into the micropipette, which you don't want. So now I'm going to open the box. I'm going to take out this part, put it into the liquid. I'm pressing before I put it into the liquid. And this is 400 microliters right here. And I'm going to dispense it like so. And that's the big micropipette.
And up next we have the P20. This dispenses 2 to 20 microliters. Similar to the last one, you're going to unlock it. We'll unlock it first, and then you're going to set your volume. So for me, I'm going to do 11. So turning it until 9, 10, and 11. Then you're going to relock it. One quick thing before I move on, these are the tips place, and this is a decimal, but since it's 11 even, we don't have any decimals. And then up next, we're going to get our tip. And one quick thing you want to keep in mind is when you're getting a tip, you don't want to over jam it in, because when you go to eject it, it's going to be very difficult to do so. But then, like what just happened, you also don't want to do it too light, because then it can come off. All right? So you're going to go ahead, depress to the first stop before you put it in, dip it in, raise it up, and then go to dispense, depress to the first stop, and then continue to the second, and release, and eject.
Hi guys, I have the bigger one. Mine is the P200. It has range from 20 microliters all the way up to 200. So like everyone said, you're gonna unlock it, and in order to get the volume we want, we're gonna be doing 200 today. So we just unlock it, then we're gonna move it to 200, and then we're gonna lock it again. And then we're gonna go and get our liquid, and we wanna make sure that we keep it vertical and we don't tip it. It's like a damage it. So go to the first stop before. Go to the first stop before, and don't forget to get your tip. Get your tip. And then we're gonna put it to the first stop. Remember to do this before putting it in. So we're gonna go to the first stop and get our liquid. Slowly push it. Okay. Now we're gonna press all the way down, and then we're just gonna eject.
So I have the smallest pipette, and I'm going to do 9. So take it and adjust it all the way up till it goes till 99090, and then I'm gonna lock it and get my tip. Okay, and then I'm gonna depress halfway, go into the liquid, and then I'm going to dispense it. And especially if you have a small amount of liquid, you can kind of like tap on the edge of whatever you're dispensing it into to make sure you get every last drop. And I'll just eject, and that's all.
Bye.